Hey, it's Don Downs from Outsmart Your Technology. Today I wanted to do a quick tech tip video for a very difficult problem I just resolved. I was having trouble with my iPhone that although it would connect to the Wi-Fi network, I couldn't browse anything. I couldn't do App Store updates. Anything that required internet access just didn't work. I had the little Wi-Fi symbol up at the top, and then I would get a little spinning indicator next to that, which indicates it's trying to get some data, and it would just hang and hang and hang. And eventually I would get a message um, saying that the server timed out or the web page was unavailable or something along those lines. Spent a fair amount of time researching this issue, Googling this, talking to people, and none of the usual tips were working. And finally, I kind of just got lucky in a way. In looking to implement one of the changes I had read about, I went into my Wi-Fi connection, tapped on the I, and what I found here was the IP address was at 192.168.0. something, even though the router was correctly configured at 192.168.2.1. So I'm not sure why this happened. I'm guessing it's related to the fact, since this problem just started yesterday, and yesterday was the day that I upgraded my home network, that kind of raises your eyebrows and makes you suspicious. Upgrading the home network came with a new router, and the router's base address was 192.168.0.1. I changed that to be on the 192.168.2 network. No real good reason. It's just a habit I've had ever since a previous corporate job, where the corporate VPN used certain addresses, and if the home address was in those addresses, things didn't work. So I just got in the habit of always moving mine up a little bit higher than 0 or 1. And it might have bitten me this time. So the way I resolved it was I came into the router, and I could now see my iPhone here, and I went to View Connected Devices. And when I got there, I clicked Edit, and it was clicked on Reserve IP, and that address was in the 192.168.0 domain. I don't know why. I changed it to DHCP, turned off Wi-Fi on the iPhone, turned the Wi-Fi back on, it acquired the new address, and it's been working ever since. There were a couple of key points to this. One of them is I do use SurfEasy VPN, and I was very suspicious that it was part of the problem. I wound up uninstalling SurfEasy VPN, and things still didn't work, and I was really concerned that something wasn't working right with that. But after getting this problem resolved, I have gone back and reinstalled SurfEasy VPN, and it seems to be working as well. So if you get in that situation where your iPhone is connecting to the internet and not getting data, there could be lots of causes, but this particular cause was not one I had seen, so I thought I would make a video of it and put it out there in case someone else encounters this. Try the easy things first, but it's also pretty easy here, just like I showed earlier. Pop into the iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the I, and see, and what you should see is your IP address and your router will normally be on the same network. And if they're not, that's pretty suspicious. So I hope that helps. Actually, I hope you never have this problem, but if you do encounter this problem, maybe this solution will help you resolve it.